What's up, YouTube and blog? Bowman Suit here. Come back with another box break. Gonna do 2010 Absolute Memorabilia. Try not to knock the camera down again. Jeez, man. There we go. I'm stuck. Alright, empty box, of course. You guys know I'll open 4 packs. Alright, good luck. Pack 1. Seriously? Do I have to cut these open? Alright, pack 1. Alright, gonna put a base card on the back and pull these out. Alright, here we go. I've got a rookie card for the Saints of Shane Canfield. Those numbered? That's numbered. Wow. Shane Canfield Spectrum rookie. That's number 10 of 10. I think the Saints are out of the break. That's number 10 of 10. Low numbered. Brett Favre base. Heinz Ward base. And our hit. It's upside down. Hit is going to be for the Cardinals. It's going to be a 3-color patch, 1-color football, 2-color patch for the Cardinals of Andre Roberts, and that is number 2 of 25. 2 of 25. It's the RPM. The camera focusing sometimes. Drives me nuts. Anyway, you guys can see the patches there. Alright, and then the rookie center, pack 2. Yeah, they were hitless, so Cardinals got themselves a nice card. Whoever had the Cardinals. Gonna do the same thing. Gonna move the Alright, rookie card for the Saints again. Patrick Robinson rookie card for the Saints, number to 299. D'Angelo Williams base, Donovan McNabb base, and the hit. It's going to be backwards. And the hit is going to be a RPM jersey, football jersey for the Chiefs. Nice looking card of Eric Berry. That is number to 299 for the Chiefs. Eric Berry. I don't know who had the Chiefs. Whoever had him, nice card. Eric Berry, I think, is I think he's really good. I actually like Eric Berry. All right, pack 3. I want to see something super disgusting. Alright, rookie card for the Texans of Garrett Graham. Never heard of any of these guys. Number 299. Miles Austin, Devin Hester, and the hit. It's going to be Tools of the Trade as I peeked at it. It's a nice patch. Actually, this dude tore it up last week. Number 5 of 50 for the Eagles. It's going to be 1, 2, 3-color patch, 3-break of Jeremy Maclin. Nice looking card. Jeremy Maclin, who in my fantasy, I think he got me like 38 points last week. He had like 180 yards receiving, a couple TDs. Sick. Alright, 1 pack left. Absolutely not bad so far. Could use 1 more autograph out of here. At least 1 more. Probably going to be the regular base autograph. Maybe not. Well, it might be. It looks like a decoy. Don't say that. I'd hate to, but I think it's going to be. Yep, that's a decoy in there. Alright, Darren McFadden, Tom Brady. And there it is. It's going to be for the Browns, number 10 of 199. Autograph rookie of Carlton Mitchell. Carlton Mitchell. So, not a bad box of Absolute. Nice looking patches. Nice autograph. Could have been better, but you know what, guys? Always could be worse. So, that's that box. Coming back with some more. Bum and a suit out.